All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about an unfortunate mistake. If you watched the video about big jobs, well, that big job is still sitting right there. Unfortunately, ran into a few problems. Nothing real major, but minor setbacks. But the big one right now is I broke an injector connector. What happened was I had a chain on it, trying to put it back into the subframe connected to the transmission. I was lifting it up. I kept trying to reposition it so it would be balanced right so I could line everything up. And every time I would do that, I'd let the slack out, the chain would want to hit the injector. Well, 3 times I made sure it didn't hit that injector. The 4th time, it swung over, cracked the connector, and boom, broke. Unfortunately, the aftermarket solutions for that injector are completely wrong, as evidenced by the B-roll you'll see here. Dead misfire on startup, no cam timing codes, but the problem is GM, for whatever reason, only sells that as a complete injector harness, which isn't that big of a deal, except it's a week out. And every aftermarket solution we've tried has been wrong. It will not actually connect to the injector with the pins. And well, without some janky solution, it's still sitting here. I haven't pushed it out because hopefully tomorrow we'll have a connector and I can finish that car up and get it out of here. All that's left is to, make sure everything's good, fix the injector harness, test drive it, align it, quality control it, make sure it's good. So hopefully tomorrow. But we all have those little stupid mistakes. We've all been there. We all have those, oh, I forgot to do that, and it happens. Don't beat yourself up about it. I mean, it sucks. I got a bunch of hours sitting in that car that may not go tomorrow because of a stupid mistake, and that happens. Now, before anybody starts screaming in the comments, we put him in a rental car, he's in a rental car, he's fine. So it just sucks. And understand that that's part of this business. You're gonna make those little stupid mistakes. You're going to break something stupid and it's going to cost you. Now in this case, it shouldn't be but 30 bucks. Well, 60 because we bought it twice. First one, it didn't work. So anyway, hopefully we got one coming from a connector source company and it'll work and I can get this car out of here. But the point of this video is we all make those stupid mistakes. If the service provider's screaming at you for one of those stupid mistakes, well, scream back at him because I'm sure he's made a few of his own that actually cost you money instead of the other way around. So, as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.